Hi guys, so guess what? Today's package video. So this is my trade package, and here it says 2 Unicorn Devils, which he spelled wrongly. I mean, like, he wrote wrongly because it's supposed to be like underscore here, but never mind. So it says from Squishy Blog Shop, which is his blog shop, and here he says, please mail safely to my address, and it says thanks postman. And then it says please mail safely, and definitely at the back is his return address. It says if mail is lost, please mail back to his blog. So I'm just gonna open it. I'm sorry that I'm ripping the envelope because the scotch tape is really sticky. So I'm just gonna pick up the items. So basically there's nothing else inside. So we try to find ice cream, and here are the 3 items. First I've got this blue Barnival very happy face, and it's really squishy. I'm not sure if it's easy because of the bag or not, but it's just super squishy. So I'm going to take it out and see for myself whether he just purposely made the plastic bag like this to make it like sticky. So hold on, I'm having trouble. Forget it, I'll just take my scissors and rip the bag. I can put it in my own packaging anyways. So sorry for the background noises. Yes, it's really squishy. I have this one. Which as well, I'm gonna cut the bag. In the video he showed me this was squishy, but I'm not sure if he purposely made it. So yes, he purposely made it squishy. And this blue minion bun, which is really squishy. So basically he faked this one, but these 2 are real. So still thank you. So yeah, bye guys.